Hello students, welcome to the lecture series on Theory of Computation subject. In this lecture, we will study regular expressions. So let's get started. Why to study regular expressions? So to find out answer of this question, we will try to identify language of one DFA. Consider the following DFA. In this DFA, you can see Q0 is the initial state and there is only one transition from state Q0 to Q1 on input 1. There is no transition on input 0. That means this DFA will accept those strings which starts with 1. If we consider the final state, we can see there is a self loop on input 0 on final state, which indicates this machine will accept the string which ends with 0. The acceptable strings by above DFA are 10, 1010, 100 and so on. The language of above DFA is DFA accepts all strings which starts with 1 and ends with 0 and any combination of 1 and 0 in between. Now the question is, can we make language description short? Can we replace language description by something else? Answer is yes, using regular expression. So let us study what is meant by regular expression. Regular expression. The language accepted by finite automata is described or represented by an expression called regular expression. The language accepted by finite automata is called as regular language. And regular expression is a short form notation of regular language. The formal definition of regular expression is the class of regular expression over summation is defined recursively as follows. First, regular expression over summation includes letters, empty set and empty string of length 0. Second, every symbol A belongs to summation is a regular expression over summation. If R1 and R2 are two regular expressions, then R1 plus R2, R1 dot R2, R1 star and R1 plus are also regular expressions. Regular expressions are only those that are obtained using rule 1 to 3. So this is the formal definition of regular expression. Now we will discuss in detail what is R1 plus R2, R1 dot R2 and so on. First, R1 plus R2. It means ORing the two regular expressions. It is analogous to if-else construct in programming language. It represents parallel path of transition graph as shown below. Consider the RE 1 plus 0 can be represented by finite automata as where you can see there are two parallel paths from state Q0 to Q1, one on input 1 and other on input 0. That indicates we can transit from state Q0 to Q1 either on input 1 or 0. Second, R1 dot R2. It is also called as concatenation. It means R1 followed by R2. It is analogous to sequential execution in programming language. It represents series connection in transition graph as shown below. Consider the RE A dot B. It can be represented by finite automata as Q0 on A transit to Q1 and Q1 on B transit to Q2. Third, R1 star. It denotes 0 or more occurrences of R1. It also accepts an empty string, that is epsilon. It represents self-loop or closure in transition graph as shown below. So consider RE 0 star, which can be represented using FA as, where you can see Q2 is initial as well as final state, and there is a self loop of 0 which indicates the closure. And last, R1 plus. It denotes one or more occurrences of R1. In this, empty string is not included, and at least one occurrence of R1 is assured. It is called as positive closure and represented as, consider the RE1 plus, and the finite automata for this is as shown in the figure. You can see Q1 is the initial state and there is a transition from Q1 to Q2 on input 1, and Q2, which is a final state, has self loop of input 1. So in this way, for every regular expression, we can draw the finite automata, as well as from given finite automata, we can find out what is its regular expression. Now we will study some of the examples of regular expression, where regular expression will be stated and we will find out the regular language. Example 1. If R is equal to A plus B, then the language of this regular expression is set of A, B. It means the set represents two strings A and B. Second example, if R is equal to A dot B, then L of R is equal to AB. That means this regular expression represents a single string AB. Third example, if R is equal to 0 star, that is closure, then language of this regular expression is epsilon 0, 0, 0, 000, and so on. That means any number of occurrences of input 0. The fourth example, if R is equal to 1 plus, that is positive closure, then the language of regular expression is 1, 1, 1, 111, and so on. That is one or more than one occurrences of input 1. The fifth example, if R is equal to A star dot B star dot C star, then the language of this regular expression is, it is a set of string where the strings are epsilon A, B, C, AB, BC, AC, ABC, AABCC, and so on. That means 0 or more number of occurrences of input A followed by B followed by C. In this, the string BA will not be accepted by finite automata because as per the regular expression, B should come after A in the sequence. The only condition in this regular expression is the sequence of input should be A followed by B followed by C. That is, the FA will accept all the strings in the sequence where the strings made up of 0 or more number of A's followed by 0 or more number of B's followed by 0 or more number of C's. And the sixth example, if R is equal to A dot B star dot A, The language of this regular expression is set of strings AA, comma, ABA, comma, ABBA and so on, which indicates this regular expression will accept all the strings which starts with A and ends with A and 0 or more number of occurrences of B's in between two A's. So these are some examples of regular expression. In the next lecture, we will see some more complex example of regular expression, and we will also study how to write regular expression if the regular language or DFA is given. Thank you for watching.